Okay, we'll still your friends are coming. We are waiting for 2 minutes. Thereafter, we'll start. Today we are reading story. Unit 3 is a story about boy Abdul. All right. So here in this chapter, Unit 3, up to Unit 2, we have completed everything. Question answers also we have done. Learning words also we have done from Unit 2. Now everything is done from Unit 2. Now we are moving towards Unit 3. In Unit 3, one boy is there named Abdul. We are learning about Abdul in this chapter. Abdul's special Eid is the topic. Okay, the topic is Abdul's special Eid. Do you know what is Eid? Do you know what is Eid? All right. Do you know what is Eid? Eid भनेको सुनेछ पहिला?
Yes, ma'am. It means Muslim festivals.
Eid is a festival. Do you celebrate Eid? Do you celebrate Eid?
No, ma'am.
Who celebrates?
We did not celebrate it. Yes, ma'am.
Who celebrate Eid?
Muslim.
Good.
Muslim people.
Good. Okay. Eid is a very special.
Ma'am, page number.
Unit 3, please.
17.
Unit 3, I have written in the screen. Don't you can't see? You can see in screen. Asking page number. All right. So Abdul, he is a Muslim boy. He celebrates Eid. Eid is the biggest festival of Muslim. They celebrate it with very, like we celebrate Dasai and Tihar. They celebrate Eid. Okay. So Abdul is a Muslim boy. His Eid is very special. Something special happened in this Eid when it was when they were celebrating Eid. Something very special happened. That's why that Eid was very special for Abdul. Okay. Abdul is a boy, name of a boy. Okay, let's find out why his Eid is very special for him. Let's see, okay. Okay, there are some characters in the story. Three characters are there. Abdul himself, he is a 10 years old Muslim boy. Okay. Salma is there. Salma is Abdul's mother. And one next name is there, Mustafa. Mustafa Syed. He is Abdul's father. That means Salma's husband. Okay. Are you clear about characters? Abdul's mother and Abdul's father. Abdul's father is Salma's husband, isn't it? All right. So, what makes festival special? Is it food, dance, and music? Not always. Read on to find out what made Abdul's Eid a special one. What is special about any festival? Why do you think festival is special? Why do you think Dasai is special for you? What do you like the most? Some may like you get chance to eat delicious food, masubat. Yes. Some may think you like Dasai because you get chance to get good dress, new clothes. Because of that, might be your festival is special to you. Some might think that you can get chance to meet your friends, relatives, new people. That might be special for you for your festival. There is different reasons for being any festival is special for anyone. Okay. कसैको लागि केही मन पर्छ कसैलाई केही मन पर्छ त्यही भएर any festival is special for you. But something other than that, there is no any good food, there is no any dance, or there is no any music that made Abdul's Eid special. There is something else that made Abdul's Eid special. Let's find out. Okay. So Abdul, he's 10 years old. He's working in one food store. Okay, food store means the place where you can buy food. Kirana pasal. Do you know? Do you have you ever been to pasal? Kirana pasal, have you ever been? Yes? Okay. So Abdul, he works in a shop, in a food store, and he earns some money. He had collected some money for his mother. Okay, so that he can buy something for his mother in Eid. How Eid is celebrated? Do you know? In Eid, they eat delicious food. They exchange gift. Okay, in this way they celebrate Eid. Abdul, he wanted to buy something for his mother. That's why he's working in food store and he's collecting some money. All total he has collected. He's counting money. You can see in first paragraph. See in first paragraph, there is written 10 years old Abdul is counting his money that he has saved after working in food store. Now he is counting 92, 93, 95 and 97 at last. How much money he had? How much money he had collected by working in a food store? He has collected 97 rupees. Okay, all total he has 97 rupees and he wants to buy something for his mother for this Eid with that 97 rupees. Okay, in second paragraph, some information about Mustafa Syed. Who is Mustafa Syed? He is Abdul's father. Abdul's father, he had been far away in ship. He works in ship From 5 years, he's not back, coming back home. He's not back. Okay. He went for some work. He works in ship and he is not back home from 5 years. Okay. And everyone is telling that he died. But Salma, Abdul's mother, she don't believe it. But he is not coming back home from 5 years. Okay. So next, Abdul, he took that 97 rupees and he went for buying something to market for his mother. Up to now, are you clear? Abdul, he is working in food store. He is collecting some money. Now, when he counted the money, it was 97 rupees. Abdul father is not there at home. He is not at home for 5 years. He works in ships. Okay, ship भनेको थाहा छ? Ship. Dunga. He works in ship and he has not returned. People say that he has already died, but no one knows his story. Okay. Now Abdul, he took that 97 rupees and he started going towards the market for buying something for his mother. He don't know what he will buy. He wants to buy something, but what to buy he doesn't know, and he has only 97 rupees in hand. Okay. So now when he went to the market, he stopped in one sweet shop. Mithai pasalma rokiyo. Okay. Sweet shop where you can buy laddu, peda, barfi. Okay. Which one is your favorite? Laddu, peda, barfi? My favorite is laddu. Okay. Anyway, he went to a sweet shop. He stopped there and he asked, how much for that barfi? Do you know what is barfi? I really want to talk to you,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
this is not a classroom and there will be very noise.
Yes,
That's why I'm telling
ma'am.
you.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
know everyone knows barfi, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very delicious, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. 19. Yes, ma'am.
Still asking page number. You are getting into my knobs. Unit 3, भनेपछि त हेर्नु नि, page number 17. All right. This chapter is very simple. Okay. Chapter is very easy, very simple. If you read also, you will understand. All right. We are in unit 3. I already told you. Okay. He has 97 rupees in his hand and he went to a sweet shop and he asked how much for this barfi. He wants to buy barfi for his mother. And the shopkeeper, he said 35 rupees a kilo. Okay. Abdul knew 35 rupees. Okay. A kilo. A kilo like 35 rupees. Okay. Abdul, he also knew that sewai. Do you know what is sewai? White in color. You cook in milk and you put some sugar and you eat. That is called sewai. If you have not ate sewai yet, you can ask your mother to prepare. It is very tasty. Okay. And Abdul, he thought mother will cook sewai, so no need to buy barfi. But mother, she liked barfi very much. So what he decided? He decided to buy it because mother Salma, she liked barfi a lot. He bought 1 kg of barfi. Okay. And again he went. Now he has spent 35 rupees. Means he had 97 rupees and he spent 35 rupees in buying barfi. Now how much is remain? How much remain? He had 97 rupees and he spent 35 rupees for buying barfi. Now he has 62 rupees left with him. Okay. Again he went to buy something for mother, something else. Now he went to Rashid Mia's shop. Okay, Rashid Mia is name of the shopkeeper. He went to Rasid Mia's shop and he looked at different clothes there. Okay. When Abdul he wanted to buy a shawl for his mother. Shawl tha cha? Pacheuri shawl. Your mother used to wear it. Shawl bhaneko ta tha cha ni. All right. He bought 1 kg of barfi and then he went to buy a shawl for his mother. And when he went to Rasid Mia's shop, he asked for the price. But he was very sad when he heard the price. Because how much money he has? He has only 62 rupees with him, but the cheapest shawl in the shop was of 75 rupees. Okay, sasto bhanda cheapest means sasto. Sasto bhanda sasto shawl in the shop was of 75 rupees and Abdul he had only 62 rupees with him. Okay, so he was very sad. But when Abdul was very sad and he was about to leave the shop, Rasid Mia he called him back and he said, "It is Eid, don't be sad. I will give you this shawl for only 62 rupees." And he gave the shawl. Okay. Abdul is very happy now because he got the shawl in less amount. Okay. If you go to shop to buy one chocolate and you see one lollipop there and you have only 5 rupees with you and lollipop is of 10 rupees, then shopkeeper he gives you that lollipop for 5 rupees. Will you be happy or not? Same thing happened to Abdul when he was about to leave because he didn't had enough money.
Yes, ma'am.
Rasid Mia he called Abdul back and he gave the shawl for only 62 rupees. Now all the money is spent. He bought barfi 1 kg for 35 rupees and he got shawl with the remaining price. Okay, all the money is spent. Now what Abdul is carrying? Abdul sanga ke cha ta aba? He has 1 kg of barfi and 1 shawl. All right, 1 kg barfi and 1 shawl for his mother, and he is returning back home.
For his mother. Writing the
All right. Now Abdul is returning back home. He has spent all the money. He has bought 1 kg of barfi and 1 shawl for his mother. Okay, on his way back, when he is returning back, what happens on the way? He is very happy. He bought green color shawl for his mother with gold combination, gold and green and gold color mixed color shawl. Is very happy. He is singing and dancing and returning back home. When he was returning back, he saw one beggar, one blind beggar in the street. Okay, he saw one blind beggar who was begging for food. He was very hungry. The beggar was asking, "I can't see, I'm blind, I'm poor, I'm hungry, please give me some food." He is begging, one blind beggar. Okay, when Abdul saw that beggar, he couldn't bear it, and what he did, he gave the box of 1 kg barfi to the blind beggar, and beggar said, "May Allah bless you," and cried and said thank you to Abdul. Now what is left with Abdul? 1 kg barfi he gave to that blind beggar. Okay. Now what is left? What is with Abdul now? What is with Abdul? Only that shawl. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. That's only shawl. Ma'am, let's give us
1 kg
one
barfi.
shawl.
he gave to beggar. Now shawl is there with him, which was bound for
Ma'am, only Sol.
only shawl is there.
Ma'am, only Sol. Ma'am, only Sol.
All right. Now only shawl is there with him, and he is coming back home. He is on the way. When he reached little farther, अलि पर गएपछि के भयो? He saw a naked man with no arms. No arms means दुईटा हात छैन. One man, and he is naked means he is wearing a teared cloth, च्यात्तेको फाटेको कपडा लगाइराछ, and no arms, and shivering. Shivering means काम्नु. When it is very cold, you shiver or not? You will do or not? Like this. The man is shivering in cold. It's very cold outside. Man is not wearing proper clothes and no arms. The man doesn't have arms. He is not wearing proper clothes and he is shivering in cold. When Abdul saw this man, this beggar, he felt very pity. And what he did? He wrapped the shawl around the man and left. Shawl also, what he did, he gave shawl, he wrapped the man with the shawl and he left for home. Now what is remained with Abdul? 1 kg burfi, one golden green shawl he had. Burfi he gave to blind beggar, blind hungry beggar, and shawl he gave to one man with no arms and shivering in cold. He gave that shawl to the man. Now what is left with Abdul? Abdul सँग के छ?
Ma'am, no. Nothing. Nothing. Ma'am, nothing. Nothing.
Now he is returning home without anything. केही पनि छैन उसको हातमा. All the money also he spent it. He gave that burfi also, and he gave that he wrapped the cloth to the beggar, and he is returning back home. Now he's very sad because he doesn't have anything for his mother. On reaching home, he found mother was very anxious. Where have you been? Mother asked, where have you been? Why you are so late? Why? What happened to you? Why you are sad? Mother is asking. And Abdul started to cry. And when Abdul told all the story to the mother, what mother said? Mother said that Eid is not only about yourself. Festival is not only about celebrating yourself. Festival is not about eating good food yourself or celebrating yourself. You should be able to give to them who do not have anything. आफूले खाने मात्रै हैन फेस्टिभल, अरूलाई खुवाउने पनि हो. फेस्टिभल आफूले राम्रो लुगा लगाउने बारेमा मात्रै हैन कि, you have to give it to them who don't have any clothes. You have to give it to them who don't have any food to eat. You have to help others. That is the real meaning of festival. Mother told to Abdul. Okay, and they were just sitting. Suddenly there was knock in the door. Okay, someone was there outside the door. When Salma went to open the door, who was there? It was a big surprise. Who was there? Do you remember Mustafa? Abdul's father? He was there in the door. He was knocking the door. After 5 years, they could finally see Mustafa in front of them. Mustafa was very weak, very lean and thin, very weak, but he was alive. He is not dead. He returned back home after 5 years. What happened? What was happened to Mustafa? He was knocked down by wind. Because of wind, the ship was carried away and he was injured. Some fishermen, they found him and gave him treatment, and finally when he was fine, he returned back home. Now after 5 long years, The family was complete. All the family were happy. Salma, Abdul, and Mustafa, they stayed together happily, and they thanked Allah. The God of Muslim is Allah. Okay, they say Allah. They thanked Allah for blessings and lived happily, celebrating Eid with love and gratitude. Okay. So today we learn this much, for this much only the story is all about. Today we learned about Mustafa, Abdul, Salma. Okay. Okay, today's story was all about Abdul. He's a Muslim boy. He works in a food store and saves some money so that he can buy something for his mother. Father is not there. He didn't return back from, he went to work in ship, but didn't come back home from 5 years. Abdul, he wanted to buy something for his mother. He was able to save 97 rupees. He wanted to buy something. He went to market. Sorry. He went to market. He went to a, first he went to a sweet shop, and he looked at Burfi and he asked how much for it. Salma, she liked Burfi a lot. That's why Abdul, he wanted to buy Burfi. The Burfi was how much? 35 rupees a kilo. Yeah. And he bought it. Now he had only 62 rupees left. Abdul, he wanted to buy a shawl for his mother. When he went to Rasid Mia's clothes shop and he asked for the shop, the price of the shawl, was 72 rupees, but he had only 62 rupees. So he thought he cannot buy it, and he was very sad and he was returning. But Rasid Mia, what he said, come back, I will give you in this shawl for 62 rupees because it is Eid. Don't be sad. Eid should be celebrated very happily. That's why he gave the shawl. And Abdul, he returned back home. So while he was returning on the way, he saw one blind, hungry beggar begging for food. So he gave that 1 kg burfi to beggar. And when he was going back again, he saw one man standing without arms, and he was very wearing very torn clothes. Chatte ko kapda lagako थियो, and he was shivering in cold. That's why Abdul wrapped the shawl around the man and he gave the shawl to the man with no arms. Okay. And he returned back home without anything. So when he went home, he was crying, but mother, she told that he did very good thing. Helping other is the real meaning of celebrating any festival. Okay. Helping other, giving other who don't have is the real meaning of celebrating any festival. So when they were just talking, they heard a knock in the door. When they went to see who was it? It was Abdul's father. He returned back home after 5 years because he was injured and treatment was going on. And when he recovered, when he was okay, when he was fine, he returned back home. And after that, they celebrated every Eid very happily, helping other and in love and joy. Okay, this much story. All right, everyone is clear? 3 minutes remaining. Okay, I will talk about your homework. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. Okay, question number 1, 2, and 3. In copy, you can do it. In your copy, it is very easy. Only true, false, and tick question is there. Question number 1, 2, 3, and 1 page handwriting. Let's do. Okay. Word meanings. Word meaning. You have to write word meaning also in your copy and read the word meaning. Okay. Homework I will post in Messenger. All right. 3 minutes remaining. Everyone, if you have any question, you can speak. Okay. Other than that, your class is over. We have completed unit 3 because it is very small story.
1 minute. No, sorry. Also right. 1 to 3 to
Writing also you have to write.
only 1 to 3
I
and
will
handwriting right.
post the homework in the messenger. Don't worry. Okay?
Ma'am, you post in the homework message.
I will write. I will.
Handwriting also right.
I will
Ma'am,
post the
one
homework.
page handwriting also right.
2 minutes remaining. I will post the homework in the messenger. You can see there. Tomorrow,
Okay, ma'am.
with your grammar book, we will
Okay,
meet
ma'am.
again
Okay,
and
ma'am.
we will read grammar. Okay, grammar exercises. Grammar definition. All right. All right. See you everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. 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 Bye, ma'am.